Hey everyone, it's Rose Crystal and I'm back in another episode of Stardew Valley. We are going to continue exactly where we picked off, because we inherited a farm last episode, and well, I want to keep going because this game, I heard, is a total time waster, and I have all the time in the world to record right now. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. And yes, I am playing with the controller because I heard it was a lot easier to play with. So let's do it. Looking for save games, my other file and only file. So let's get on with it. I'm gonna just this. And it's 6 a.m. And apparently this is a lot easier to use. Oh, cool. Oh, wait. Hi there. Good morning. I noticed that you've been breaking some rocks open and finding ore. That's good. If you want to get the most out of the ores you find, you'll need a furnace. Just so happens I had an extra set of blueprints lying around here. I want you to have them. Nice! Learned how to craft a furnace. The furnace allows you to smelt metal bars. The bars can be used for crafting, construction, and tool upgrades. When you smelt a few copper bars, consider having me upgrade one of your tools. It can make your work a lot easier. Well, okay, I'm heading home. Take it easy. I assume that is the blacksmith in last episode. And apparently I can use the right stick to move the controller around. Forging ahead. If you're gonna keep mining, you should build a furnace. This is gonna be a lot easier. And also, my mom told me off camera, hey, if you're having trouble with your water supply with the watering can, I had just finding a body of water and filling it up that way. So I'm going to take her advice and get used to this. Oh, shoot. Apparently the circle button opens the inventory because it acts as my E. So where is... X is the crafting menu. This is Y. How do you open up... Oh, cool. Or maybe? Oh, wait, you have to use the back buttons to circle through your inventory. But how do you open up the map? That's the real question. Crap, no, I didn't mean to use that. How do you select the water? Oh! Oh, okay, so you use Y on it and press Y. Or the square key. I am not sure. Well, we're getting off to a good start, right? Again, I am literally a beginner at this stuff. Please go easy on me in the comments and be like, hey, you don't know how to play? Shame on you. Well, it's my first day. Can you give me a break? Then again, that's probably me telling myself that, not you guys. Anyway, let's get on with, well, watering the plants. Because you got to. Or maybe, I think, the rain's going to take care of that. So anyway, let's get on with building a furnace. So where the heck is the furnace? Copper ore, we need 20 and 25 stone. So we have 15 stone and 7 copper ore. Let's get to work. Check, yeah, 25. Figured it was, I just wanted to check. And for copper reasons, I would just buy it. But my mom also told me, hey, there's only a certain amount of times that you'll be able to do this per day. I'm going to get rid of my mixed seeds. Or no, I don't want to get rid of my mixed seeds. Copper ore, definitely not. I'm going to get rid of my clay for right now. And, well, get rid of that. I think the rain will take care of that, since it already is watering and there's no point. So, also what I was saying earlier, before I get off track, There's only a certain amount of days before you can get into the mine. So we have to wait that out. But right now I want to build a furnace. And the only way I can get copper ore, as if I know how, is to buy it at the store. Closed on Wednesdays. Crap. Wait. No, I think the blacksmith is open. They can buy things? I'm not sure. Maybe? How in the world do you pull up the map? That's the real question. Hmm. But then again, I don't have any money, so even if I were to find this place. Yeah, shop. Copper ore. It's right here. Just this little area right here. Hmm. How do you... I think just F, but I don't have an F key on here. I have... You know what? I'll just click around. Hmm. The only thing I know how to make actual money right now is to get fish. So let's do that. Down to the beach. Okay, so it's the Y, or so to speak. Heck no. We are buying another heckin'. We are getting money to get that fish. Heck. Oh, wait, what? Okay, so you have to hold that thing. So when it bites, you have a good shot at getting it. Heck no, no! Ah. Alright. What the heck is the sweet spot with that thing? It's... Crap. Won't link on. I'm using my energy every time I do this. Or we got seaweed. That works too. Alright, mother shucker. We are getting some fishes. Fishies, come on. No! Girl needs cash. You know what? Heck it. I'm going to go clear out. Well, what the heck is this? Nothing? Okay. Where the heck is the map button? Or that. I can do the open up the thing here. That works too. It's gonna take a while to get used to the whole, you know, working with a controller and everything. Oh, hey. Hey, it's nice to meet you. Get a good spot to move here. This spring is lovely. I don't think I've been here before. Oh, right. Tough choice. Okay, who is this place right here? Oh, it's Jess. Okay. Use this guy to cut feed from grass. Thank you. Chop wood. Okay, I figured as much. Wanted to check. Crap, I don't want to do that. No. Ah. Okay, is it disconnected? Nope. Okay, it's not. Apologies. Having trouble doing this. I just need all the wood I can get right now, and it'll help me clear out this stuff in the end, so really, this is helping me. I'll have plenty of stone, so... Your pickaxe isn't strong enough to break this boulder. Okay, so let's not do that. Again, the tools can and will be upgraded throughout the game, I assume. That's what the guy told us at the beginning. And these mixed seeds. Once I learn how to grow them, we'll learn just what they can do. What was that? I need as much stone as I can. Wood is also a benefactory help. How much do I need for a chest? 50, holy crap, man. I get it, it's a wood chest, but even I think that's a little excessive. Crap. So I'm gonna look up the map. I'm literally just a few miles here till... Okay, switching through my tools is so much easier on a controller. You have any idea? Okay, so it's through the north here. That's where my plants are. That's how I know where everything is. It's just how it is. I'm gonna put in the... Oh wait, this can help me. It can be used in cooking. I don't want to get rid of that. I don't want to get rid of any of this stuff. I'm going to go inside. Weather report. Welcome to Cozy 5, your #1 source for weather, news, and entertainment. Now the weather forecast for tomorrow. It's going to be a beautiful sunny day tomorrow. Nice. Let's go to bed then. Okay, farming, foraging. Oh, cool. It's gonna show me what I can do. Day 3 of spring, year 1. Or day 4. This is gonna show me what it is from now on. do the living off the land. Welcome to Living Off the Land. We're back again with another tip for y'all. Listen up. This one's for you folks living in Stardew Valley. Check for spring onions. Check for spring onions southwest of town, where the river meets the ocean. And it's gonna find a whole bunch of growing right out of the dirt. I'll give that a try. What's this? I understand. They keep finding cool stuff. My backpack is full. Sound like you? Well, here's got you covered. So if you're generous, we're saying check out affordable size 24 backpack. Dude, holy crap! I'm gonna need that. I don't think they're growing yet. So I'm gonna want to water each of them. I can tell they're being watered because of the dark patch over here. Yep. That's alright. So I'm going to just continue water these until they're fully watered. That's all I'm gonna do. Okay, I need to know where the little trigger is. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna need more water because I literally just used up a lot of it. But right now I am going to check out Pierre's little general store because I'm gonna need to learn how to sell things there. I'm gonna have to make good use of that. Locked, open 9 AM. Okay. There we go.
Right.
What do you mean? What's up? Yep, I'm just trying to learn how to make I'm trying to learn how to make a furnace.
Oh. You gotta use any stone or something?
Yeah, I have enough stone, believe me, but
And you gotta use copper ore. Oh,
yeah.
Where
Can you get it? What are you doing?
If you go to
I'm using...
What is this? Okay, now. What you gotta
I'm
do...
using the controller, so if you need something,
you go over here real quick.
Or you can control them.
Just real quick. If you go, there should be a quest which asks you to collect 20 ore, and if you do that, it should be here. Is it down here? Okay, here. That. That I guess.
I think
or not. Okay. Well, okay, so the blacksmith would ask you to collect 20 ore, which is just enough to craft a furnace, which is why you should do that quest. Which is why you should do that quest here.
What?
Grab that. You can.
I can't grab it.
Okay, then.
My inventory's full.
So you can't go there. Anyway, okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say, dude. It's day 4. There's no.
Okay. So you'll be able to craft a furnace when you get a quest from the blacksmith. Okay.
When is that day? Do you know when?
I don't know when it is. I'm sorry.
All right. All right. Where the heck is the town square? So I'm gonna see what he has on sale here. First off and foremost is how can you upgrade? Oh, here we go. Here we go. 24 slots, 2,000. Jesus. Sorry about that. But this game's not going easy on me, guys. Crap. Ah, well. Did not mean to do that. I am going to plant this in flat place. That is a whoops. Did not mean to chop that. Lessons learned, I guess. I'm gonna try to just make a chest, because it's gonna help me out in the long run. What's this place? And low. Okay. Yeah, I know my inventory's full. Wait for my return on the dawn of your 3rd year. Is he gonna come back to life with the craft? I am gonna have plenty of stone to use, definitely. I know my inventory's full, that's why I'm crafting a chest to begin with. Let's just get rid of all this. I'm gonna need to clear out this place to begin with. Sorry if I'm not talking for a bit, I'm just trying to concentrate. I need the other tool. Thinking, maybe. Well, it's not too late. Should maybe head over to the beach. Or maybe. No, I still have plenty of wood. Oh. I'm almost done. So maybe 8 more people to greet. Just spent the day clearing out the farm. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. No! I got driftwood. So if I catch any more, I can throw it away. Well, max throw. Oh, so I have to trade something out since I don't have a lot of inventory space. Honestly, I might want to, like, sell whatever I got to, maybe I just drop whatever I got in, that chest and see how much money I can make out of that. But now I know you can catch more things than just fish. I don't think I really need it. No, I'm gonna say that and then I need it. Alright. Day 5. Oh, is it grown? There we go! Which one and which button to press? Let's heckin' go! So it takes a good full solid 4 days for a parnit to grow. Done. 100G. That's how to do it, baby. And I'm gonna just find a quick way to open that. Raising animals. The robin. The local carpenter lives north of town. Exchange raw materials and money to construct new buildings on your farm. You need to build her a cooper barn so that you can raise animals. Or to build a coop or barn. So I'm thinking. To our valued Jojo Mart customers, our team members have removed the land site clause about our drilling operation in Mountain Lake. I'd like to remind you that your drilling operation is entirely legal pursuant to this. Jojo admit it. Responsible stewardship of the local environment is our top priority. Because acts may have caused, is considered a valid sport and patronage. So I'm thinking the mines are open. That will save a lot of time, and I can get copper ore out of it. So, let's do it. Let's get to it. Because once I buy a chest, I'm going to store all the stuff I need out there. So where the heck is the mountain lake? It's up there. Okay, cool. I'm on the right path. Yes, it's open! Let's go! I was just peering down to this old mine shaft. It's been abandoned for decades. Still, there's probably good ore still down there. In a dark place undisturbed for so long, I'm afraid ore isn't the only thing you'll find. Here, take this. You might need it. A sword! You received a rusty sword. I'm gonna put my fiber there. And take the sword instead. Now, name's Marlon, by the way. I run the Adventurers Guild right outside. I'll keep my eye on you. Prove yourself, and I might think about making you a member. So I'll need to take that sword if I'm gonna, you know, work. Pickaxe isn't strong enough to break this yet. Okay. So, let's do it. Okay, this is stone. You know, the music just stopped. That really isn't good. Oh, copper! Yes! Oh. Okay, so there's a number up there. It's how deep I've gone into this mine so far. That's what my brothers told me anyway. So you have to find the floor each time. It's like Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. Yep, I've played the Mystery Dungeon games. I've played maybe 1 or 2 of them, maybe. I played half of... I don't know, it was a really old one, but... I do remember playing Gates to Infinity all the way through, so... Found more stone. That's the way to do it. Okay, I don't know what that is. Just ignore it for right now. What the heck is that? Is that a slime? Oh crap! Crap! No, no, no! That's very dangerous. Okay. Okay, those are things that are hostile. It's a really good thing I took that sword. I think it won't let you not take that sword. Because I think it's the only way you'll get it. Good thing I can switch on the fly like this. Oh crap, those things can frickin' jump, holy crap. Frick you, man. I'm not dying to a gosh darn oh shoot, no. What the heck is that? Okay, those things can go down in one hit. But my inventory is once again full. Sense my energy getting low. That ain't good. Especially in a mine like this. I think I'm gonna explore more of level 2 tomorrow in the day. Leave the mine. Okay, so it'll take you all the way back up. Doesn't seem to be working. I'll explore more of the mine tomorrow. Because I'm running out of energy and that's not good. Okay, so proven. That's the guy's house. Got it. The bridge isn't gonna build itself. Oh, but what am I doing? Probably let my controller down on my lap. That's good. Okay, I'm out of more energy. That's because I went to explore the mine. I think I'm gonna spend the next day building myself a chest and getting a furnace. That'll be good. End off to this episode. How much do I need for that furnace? 20. Got it. Apparently the journal needs something, so I'm going to check out what that is. Explore the mine. Reach level 5 in the mines. Hinted that it could be dangerous. As you gain experience and discover new crafting recipes, increase profit and make life easier. A scarecrow, for example, prevent crows from stacking on your precious crops. Reach farming level 1 and craft a scarecrow. Where is Robin's place? Carpenter shop is right here. Open at 9 AM to 5 PM most days. So it's over there on the roads there? Okay. It's that blue area, I think. Okay, I gotta go up there. Path. Okay, so it's this place, right? Yep, Carpenter's area. There we go. What can I do for you? Construct farm buildings. A coop. 4,000 gold, and I need 300, 100 stone. Holy frick, Robin. Yeah, I have enough stone. That's not the problem. The wood is the problem. I guess after a few episodes, I may be able to save up 4,000 gold, because holy crap, girl. I get it. Constructing buildings take a long time and money, but holy crap, for a beginner farmer like myself. Hi. I'm gonna head back for right now. I know it's early, but I'm literally low on energy. I didn't think all that mining would take it out of me. So I'm going to go back up for today and continue planting stuff. Sorry. Gonna just restore my energy. Level 1 farming! Hey! Nice. Level 1 mining. Cherry bomb? That is a song, by the way. So, let's do it. Gonna... Whoa. What the... That's okay, though. There we go. And plant more stuff. I'm out of seeds, though, so I'm going to spend maybe the remainder of this episode learning how to, well, get more wood, that's all. And building a chest and a furnace out of it. We can get more mixed seeds out of it too, so there's benefits to cutting down grasses as well. Not only does it help clear your farm out, but it helps you in the long run. My inventory is too dang full, so it's not going to take any items that drop. Which I plan on taking care of this episode. There we go. 50 wood, ladies and gentlemen. It is possible if you manage to do it. Oh, what's this? Robin here knows a lot of stone scattered around your farm. If you have a surplus, you might consider having me build a well for you. Wells can place all your farm and serve as a convenient place to refill your watering can. Swing my shop with 75 stone and 1,000 G when you're ready for it. I'm good with the stone, but at the same time, I'm gonna build this chest. Thank the frickin' Lord. I am going to need this. So I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna put in... I'm fine putting away... No, I need the stone, please. I need stone. Big stone. So I am going to switch around my gear, maybe? Nah, rusted swords armor it is. So I'll continue putting in more items that I need. Alright. So I think I'm gonna head back out to the mine. What the? Oh, hello there. Oh, hi there. What's up? What an eyesore. Oh, is this the community center? This is the Pelican Town Community Center, or left of it anyway. It used to be the pride and joy of the town, always bustling with activity. Now just look at it, it's shameful. These days, the young folk would rather sit in front of the TV than engage with the community. But listen to me, I sound like an old fool. Joga Corporation has been hounding me to sell them the land so they can turn it into a warehouse. Pelican Town could use the money, but there's something stopping me from selling it. Guess old timers like me get attached to relics of the past. Ah, well. If anyone else buys a JoJo Code membership, I'm gonna have to go ahead and sell it. Here, go inside. Whoa, you weren't kidding about this place being better days. Hmm? What's this? Miss Vincent and Jess playing in here. This place is even more diplomatic than I remember. What the? What? I wasn't seeing things. Were you guys seeing things? What's the matter? Are you ill? What? You saw something? I wouldn't be surprised if this place is full of rats. No! No! Get your sword out. We have it. You're worrying me, Rose. Look, I think I'm going to head home. I need some lunch. Hey, I'll keep this place unlocked from now on. Maybe you can help catch that rat if you have some extra time. Strange. I'll have to come back and explore this building further. That is what we are going to cover in the next episode, hopefully. Because I love this game so far. But right now, all I'm focused on is getting into that mine and building a gosh darn furnace. Because I need to upgrade my weaponry with a side order of now. So, I am going to go out to the mine and dig up as much stuff as I can. You know, it would be really fun if there was a way to fast travel to the mines. But right now, that is neither here nor there. Let's make it to level 5. My health is restored, and we can get right onto it. What's this? Ooh, quartz. We're gonna need that. We're gonna hold on to that. And coal. Even better. I'm gonna find a mother lode down here. And geode as well. You found a geode. The local blacksmith can break it open for you. Who knows what might be hidden inside? Heck yeah, baby. That's what I like to see. I am hecking determined to get 20 ore. And I got 2 out of that. Nice. Come on, 2 more, baby. Two more for your old pal, please. Yes! Oh, dang. It's dark. Very dark. I might want to be on the safe side, restore my energy, and get some torches involved. Because I heard there's torches. But we need... Oh, shoot. Sap. Provides a modest amount of light. I might want to bring torches next time I go into the mine as well. So, when I place this furnace down, it'll be the end of this episode. Because I am going to need whatever I need. Well, that's obvious, but... we're gonna learn how to get more inventory space, you know, just whatever we can. Hmm. Hmm. I'm going to put the quartz in there, the coal, and geode, and just craft. Furnace time, baby. I used up all of my things to do it. That was worth it. Huh? Oh, do I have to place it in certain spots? Can I just, you know, put it over here? There we go. Perfect. Oh, I think it requires coal. Maybe. No. Now that you've built a furnace, you can smelt the metal. According to Clint's instructions, there's 5 copper ore and 1 piece of coal in the first piece of copper bar. We are going to do that next episode, so if you guys want to see more of Stardew Valley as soon as possible, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all next time. Before we do that, I'm going to go to bed for the day and save my progress. So, that's all. Want to see the next episode? Leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!